Okay, for the good step for NATO and the summit of NATO, you must engage the new country joint of the NATO army, and you must make the NATO country don't can attack another country NATO because he's allied. It's so more important you engage this power on the world, not for war conflict, just for protect the people. It's different and build and make the construction for abundance in all country and use these people NATO for making that. It's more important to have the representative army for protect the people. The people is not responsible for the war, and the people not engage on army. You must protect the people, and you must join the NATO for the stability on your country. Please make this my say for the example for stability. You can work every year. So what you want sector, and you can work with your phone. I work just by my phone. I work for the total country in the world. So make this answer for result your question. What your Who are your enemy? Who are must you need the power? And who are you must engage the power for build and create the abundance. If you create the abundance, the full community of extremists don't exist because you don't have the reason for going extremist. And if you win extremist, you win the world. It's so more simply of that. Take the new summit of NATO for say now the total uh, people in NATO must build and protect the people and build the abundance, the infrastructure and another for making the country grow and grow your society in the total country. And if you make on 3 years, just 3 years, the stop the war, stop the target weapon, and just build the abundance and create the full life of an animal and another. If you respect your earth and this world on 3 years, you can change the full world uh, on this time. And after you have changed the world on this time, you don't need uh, one so more. You just need this or that. Thanks lot, thanks sir, thanks Miss Lady, and good luck.